Hey guys, D and N here. David can't be here, but today I'm going to show you how to make soda. Here's what you need. First of all, you need fruits, orange, lemon, actually any fruits, but I suggest these two. You need a citrus squeezer, squeeze the fruits. You need sugar. You need a bottle to put the soda into, but I usually do Snapple bottle because it has the right measurements. You need a knife to cut the fruits. You need a cutting board to cut the fruits. You need water from a sink or whatever. You also need carbonated water. You can buy some, or if you have something like a soda stream, you can get carbonated water from there. First, you take your bottle, and if your bottle is dirty, like you look in the bottom, it's usually dirty. Mine isn't. You open it up, and then you put a little bit of water, only up to here. I think. So I have water in here. And if yours is dirty, you shake it up until you see that it's not dirty anymore. Mine isn't dirty, so I'm not going to shake anymore. I'm going to dump this out. And now your bottle is clean. Next, you take your fruit and you cut it in half. So this is where your knife comes in. If your parents don't let you cut and use a knife, then tell them to do it. Now you have 2 halves of an orange. And you don't need the knife anymore or the cutting board. So this goes bye-bye. And now you have 2 half oranges. Next, you take your citrus squeezer. You take 1 half of the orange and you put it on top. And you just push down. This is a part that takes muscle. Twist it, push down on it. You can do anything to get the juice out. Now, if you still don't think it's enough, like this one, I can't squeeze it a lot. I would ask someone else, like your parents or someone else, to do it for you to get the rest of the juice out. And soda is not good with pulp. Trust me, I've tried it. It isn't good. Pulp, if you don't know, pulp is like the fruity stuff in here that you get when you squeeze it, and we're gonna do something with that pulp later. Guys, there are some materials that I forgot to tell you you need. You need a spoon, you need a cup, and you need a strainer. So I have a citrus squeezer full of orange juice, and I have 2 oranges full of pulp. If you have spoons, these will make a very tasty snack. If you just scoop up the extra. It tastes like orange, because it is an orange. So now you're done with these. You can put them in the compost. And you have this. You need the strainer and the cup. You put the strainer in the cup like this. Then you just pour it in there. You let it rest so the actual orange juice will come out. You do not want pulp in your soda, trust me. I finished straining. You don't need this anymore, unless you're gonna make more sodas. And you have a cup. You need your clean Snapple bottle. Next, you pour it into here. No pulp, only this pulp, which I somehow missed. And if you have a Snapple bottle, you should have up to here an orange juice. No más, no menos. If you don't have a Snapple bottle, then the orange juice should take up about 1/6 of the bottle. Guys, make sure you have a clean and dry spoon. This is not dry, so it will make the next step a lot harder. It will make the sugar hard, literally. Once you have your spoon, your dry, clean spoon, you take a spoonful of sugar. Now this is where you need a funnel. I forgot to say that in the beginning. I have a funnel. If you don't, you could just make a piece of paper into one. You stick it into the Snapple bottle, and you put sugar into the funnel. I would suggest 1 to 2 spoonfuls. So this is my second.
Alright, take this sticker.
Now, if the sugar is stuck like this, put a finger to cover this up and just dump it in. So you don't need the funnel anymore. You don't need the sugar anymore, but you do need the bottle cap. And then you need to shake this for 5 minutes, around that. So now you have shaken it, and now it's time to add the carbonated water. So, if you don't have carbonated water, you can buy it. I don't know how much, or you can have something like a soda stream. I have water, and I will carbonate it. in this thing. So I take the cap off. Stick it in.
What do you want?
Now I push down. Wait till it lights. Lift up. Now we have carbonated water. Now that you have carbonated water, whether it's from a machine or you bought it, I suggest having a paper towel near while you do this. So I folded a paper towel because you need layers, and you put Snapple bottle on top of the paper towel. You open it up, and then you open carbonated water up. Now, if you leave this open for too long, it might lose its fizz. So keep the lid on as much as you can. So you pour the carbonated water into your drink, into the orange juice with sugar. And I suggest taking little breaks in between from cap, because there are usually bubbles. So now I'm going to do it again. Shoot! Sorry guys. That wasn't good, but that's why you have a paper towel. You should only do it up to the S, or halfway up from here to here. And then you have soda. Now you have soda. And you can pour it to all your friends or to anybody and have a good time.